fprintf. The fprintf function is used to write set of characters into file. It sends the formatted output to the file stream. So in order to write a file, write the data onto the file, we need to write it as fprintf function. The syntax is int fprintf of give the file stream followed by the constant, the character formats, and give the argument list followed by semicolon. So this is how we are going to represent fprintf. So we need to understand very important difference between printf and fprintf. Printf writes the data to the monitor. fprintf writes the data to the file. So this is the major difference between printf and fprintf. fscan. fscanf. The fscanf function is used to read set of characters from the file. It reads a word from the file and returns EOF, that is end of the file. So in order to read the file, what is the function we need to use is fscanf. The syntax for this is int followed by fscanf. We need to give the file stream followed by the constant character star format, that is whatever the format specifiers, and the argument list we need to specify followed by semicolon. So this is how we need to use the fscanf. So what is the difference between scanf and fscanf? Scanf reads the data from keyboard, whereas fscanf reads the data from file. So this is a major difference between scanf and fscanf function. Next, fputc. Fputc function is a file handling function in C which is used to write a character into a file. It writes a single character at a time in a file and moves the file pointer position to the next address location to write the next character. So here how we need to represent this is fputc of int char comma the file pointer position. So fputc function is used to write a character into a file. So in order to represent it, fputc of the given character ch comma fp, where ch is a character value and fp is a file pointer. This is how we can represent fputc. Next, fgetc. fgetc function is a file handling function in C programming language which is used to read a character from the file. It reads a single character at a time and moves the file pointer position to the next address location to read the next character. So how we need to represent it is int fgetc of file pointer name. That is, whatever the file pointer which we want to read, we are going to give the file pointer name. fgetc of fp, where fp is nothing but it's a file pointer. So this is how we are going to represent fgetc. The next, file positioning functions. In this we have fseek. Fseek is the function which is used to move the cursor in the file to the desired position. So in which position you want to move the file pointer, you can move to the desired position. The syntax for this fseek is int fseek of specify the file pointer name, comma, give the offset and the position. So the fseek function takes three arguments. First is the file pointer name, the second one is the offset, and the third one is nothing but it's a position. So here whenever we take the value, so it will return 0 if successfully moved to the specified position, otherwise return non-zero value. There are three important positions from where your offset can move. That is seek underscore set. If you are giving it as 0, it is the beginning of the file. Seek underscore current 1, which means the current position in the file. seek underscore end to, which means end of the file. So these are the three constants which are used as part of your fseek function. Seek underscore set, it moves the file pointer position to the beginning of the file. Seek underscore current, it moves the file pointer position to the given location. Seek underscore end, it moves the file pointer position to the end of the file. So these are the three constants which are used as part of fseek function.